Yo, this is my guy Farid, Detail A Law Group. Call downtown.com. Trust me, you may have a case. You've been injured at work or assaulted in these streets or even a car accident, and it does happen. I mean, we live in the car chase capital of the world. You know what I'm saying? Like, it does happen here, unfortunately, and it could happen at any moment. Dial pound 250 and say injury lawyer for a free case review. You pay zero up front. Zero up front. You only pay if you win. And Farid and his team of over 40 lawyers, they're in the business of winning, my G. And listen, like I mentioned, car accidents happen at any moment, all the time here in Los Angeles. Every second, it seems that way, right? And you're driving, something happens, you don't have the proper documentation, and you hesitate to call because you don't necessarily know your rights. That does happen, right?
It does happen, but you shouldn't let it. Just because things might not, your situation might be legit, right? You might not have proper documentation, you might not be licensed, you might not be insured, whatever that is. Do not be afraid to call. Nothing is going to happen to you. You're not going to get in any type of trouble by calling. Any call is 100% confidential, doesn't go anywhere. If there is, for any reason, we feel that it might not be in your best interest, trust me, we'll be the first to tell you. But a vast majority of the time, you'll realize that there is a tremendous amount you can actually do regardless of not having that situation set up the correct way. And a lot of people in this city go through that, but you should not be afraid. Don't fall for that trap. You could pursue it no matter what. You just need the right type of representation behind you to be able to do it for you.
You know, my cousin Gus is a little hood, right? And he always used to say his narrative was, don't call a lawyer, they work for the cops.
For sure not us. I don't think there's ever been a situation where we haven't been able to actually try to come through for the client, do what we can to help them. Even if we don't take the case for whatever reason, we'll step in and tell you exactly what you could do to sort of make your situation a little bit better. But no, without a doubt, there's no chance that we would ever do that, ever.
And again, zero up front, right? A call doesn't cost. No te cuesta nada. Like, you call Farid, Detail A Law Group, it costs nothing. Free case review. Dial pound 250, say injury lawyer. They get back to you right away. Real people with a real intent to win and to make life easier, right? Because when you get into an accident, you get assaulted, slip and fall, you get hurt. Your life is just all over the place.
People don't realize it. When you get in any type of incident like that, it could change your life. You don't realize how. Sometimes people think it as a little fender bender, or maybe it was an assault, whatever it is. You don't realize how much it could actually affect you, how much it could affect you down the line, what it could do to you. But without a doubt, zero fees up front. Like I said before, we're in the winning business, and we like to win. So if we're in it with you all the way. If you have someone on your side that's actually going to go to bat for you, it's not going to matter. I mean, at the end of the day, it's what they have versus what you have. And if you have enough firepower on your side to represent you, to protect you, to stand up for your rights, then your side's always going to be the right side.
Yo, listen, you need to call Detail A Law Group, dial pound 250, say injury lawyer. They'll get back to you right away. Zero up front. You only pay if you win. Farid, Detail A Law Group, Cruz, Real 92.3.